Have you heard about Dangote Cement Company in Nigeria? This is a company involved in the transformation of limestone to cement. When this company was about to start manufacturing cement in Nigeria, they considered the best location to be Ogun State. Do you know why? Because limestone, which is a raw material for cement, is found in Ogun State. But is this the only reason why this area was chosen? Not at all. This state was also chosen because of the government's policies and political stability, which encourages industries to be located in this area. Also, availability of electricity, availability of labor, and good road network were also considered. So, we can say the factors affecting the location of manufacturing industries are proximity to source of raw materials, nearness to market, nearness to source of power, availability of capital, availability of labor, adequate transport network, political stability, and government policies. Trust you had fun in this lesson today. See you in the next lesson. Bye.